Good morning. We are about to do the first experiment of the database. So the schema is given as follows, and here we begin with the coding part. So we create the table customer using create table customer with all the column names, the customer ID and its data type like varchar2 and the size, and then we on the second question, since we need that to be a primary key, we create table and primary key constraints, and it has been underlined. So all that's been underlined has to be made up into a primary key. Therefore, we in the first starting of the program itself, we define it as a primary key, and here we put in all the required column names and the size we have, and then the table is created. And the DECS describe customer is used to give the table. It's required to show the table and its data type, and it's a DDL command which gives a definition, which means the data definition language. So it gives the column names and the type of the character type. So after that we have okay. So the next question, we create the order line, product and supplier. Similarly, we create all of these tables. Here we have here we have created the order table, and then we describe the order table, and then we create the order line table and we describe the order table, and then we create the product table and describe the product table. Okay, yeah. Supplier, and similarly we have the supplier table and we create the supplier table. Okay, so after all that we have to put all the other tables, and then we have the third question in which the foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute. So for that we use the command here, alter table name, add constraint, foreign key constraint, and then we have to put customer ID as a foreign key or add customer. So but we have an error because we have been missing a keyword. So the next would be so we do that, and then we have the foreign key constraint put in. And then the next question is modify the attribute product finish in product table to product material. For that we use alter table, add product material, and then put it as varchar20, table been altered. And the next question is modify the attribute product, add an attribute called price to the order line table. Okay, so alter table product material to varchar. Yeah, so the order line, see, alter table, here we have the alter table order line, and then we add price which is numbers and with the size 20, and the table is being altered to. And the next question is the order quantity, and check an attribute called price to the order line table. We have added that, and add a constraint to the order quantity column and check whether the quantity is above 5. Okay, for that we have we rename the order line to order quantity, and then after that we have order table supplier and supplier varchar, order table customer modified to customer name varchar not null, and then describe all the tables, and we have added the primary key constraints. Modify the table, add not null constraint to the customer name and address. So for that we have alter table customer modified, and the not null is being added. And in the similar way we describe the order line, order table order quantity, add constraint AR, and check the order quantity which is above 5. Yeah, we have the answer for the 6th question. A unique key For the unique key we have, yeah, where care not null table. Okay. The 15th question is a drop the column supplier. Interestingly, the supplier table. For that, alter table supplier, and we drop the column supplier and supplier. And the last question is to drop the table. So for dropping the table, we use the command drop table, command which is used to drop the table. The table has been dropped, and yeah, that's it. The truncate command is, yeah, use the truncate command and done. Thank you.